Here's a quick walkthrough of how to use the Search First Content Hub. So this is designed to help you collect your ideas, schedule them out, and pretty much go through all the tasks of doing the work for your content and get it done and out of your way. Also, if you ever need to share with a team, we have some team tabs. If you need those, let me know. Those are in a separate section, but we do have some. Either way, let's go back to the beginning. So first, we want to collect our ideas. That is all happening here in our idea vault. You can either just say new item and it's gonna pop open all of the different columns, or you can come over here. I like this view a little bit better and say new item on the side and just work on whatever your new idea is. So let's say our new idea is how to use this. All right, so we're gonna just say what our idea is, and then you fill out as much information as you have. Like, what do I know about this? What's the intent of it? What platform am I gonna use? What stage of visibility? Like, I'm gonna use this to help people discover me. And right now I'm still at the idea phase, so I'm going to keep it at the idea phase. If I have any keywords, one of my favorite keywords is always running a business. Right, so whatever keywords or questions that went with this idea, and then this information here, this is what you fill out as you go through the process. So, you know, what do I need to schedule this? So I'm going to first give it a date, and this actually drives a lot of a lot of other things. I always try to give it a date first. If I don't have one that I know in mind, I'm just going to give it 7 days from now, right? I want this to happen in 7 days, and you'll see my sheet even moved when I did that. So I'm going to want this to get done in the next 7 days, and this is the information I use at the end to analyze how well it did. So once I've got it in there, you see now we've got this on our list, and they are listed by the actual dates of the post dates, right? So this is telling me what's coming up. So I will have this smaller list of what should I focus on in just the next 7 days. If it's not happening next 7 days, this list is going to get really long. I only want to look at the things I need to work on right now, and then I can see what status they're in so I can work on them at one time. Also, I have another view called the content board where I can, if I'm one of those people who like to just do all my ideas at one time and do all my research at one time, I'm going to use this view, right? This view, I can come in here and see, oh, I need to do this research. Let me go out and research. And every view that you're in, when you click on your item, you'll see those same things. So you can just continue to fill this out as you make your way down. And that's the way it's designed, that you're doing work as you work along, right? Then you're going to look at your weekly planner. What's already scheduled? What's already out here? These are the things that we know this is supposed to be happening this week. Am I ready for this? Do I have this ready? Is it scheduled? Is it got all the things that it needs to have? So we put that here. And then at the end, you want to start doing some type of analytics, right? Once it's already posted. So we're going to move one into posted so you can see. So say we post this one today. Now, at the end of the month or whatever day you come in to do all of your analytics, you're going to do them all at one time. You want to come in here and just say, okay, these are the ones I need to gather this information. And from there, we have some metrics dashboard. So reach out to me if you need those. We have some metrics dashboard packs you can add to this that then you can see this is how well I'm doing. These are the things I should redo and really start to analyze. But it all starts here with collecting that data. And then last but not least, just in case you're one of those people who need a form or something, you don't want to see all the boards, we have a new idea form. So you could just come in here, like I said, just start hammering out your ideas, and all of these end up here on your checklist. So it's really easy to use, really made for you to click through and get your work done. So if you do nothing else but once a week, click on these, you will have your content system in place.